check-in, key card in my hand, gold carpet, suitcase leaving tracks in the sand of my head. You're behind that desk, name tag, tired eyes, perfect smile. Say welcome in, like we've known each other a while. Music playing in the hotel lobby, soft enough to make me stay. Little melody that wraps around me, takes my heavy day away. Music playing in the hotel lobby, like it's only meant for two. Every quiet note that drifts above me feels like it's watching me and you. Fake palm tree, water in a glass, red couch. Someone's laughing as the minutes pass. You slide my card back, fingers brush, I lose my place. Song hanging between the ceiling and your face. Maybe I'll miss my elevator, let the suitcase wait upstairs.